a minute since you all have last seen me, especially in the home decor, home improvement department. So I am here today to let you all know that I actually was considering building another home, but yeah, what I really truly wanted was well into the over the $1 million budget, and I'm just like, I have the space. Granted, I didn't build a custom home, but I can make this home custom and yeah, stay on board with paying my mortgage off early. So I am starting with my bedroom, the owner's suite, but specifically the bathroom. I will give you all a before and then do a day-by-day update. So the contractor said that it should take about a week. So this is day one, it's demo day. He'll be ripping everything out pretty much. And yeah, I'm excited to take you all on this journey. Day one, all the demo has taken place and the door is off because I'm also making a change to that. Stay tuned, I'm so excited. But look guys, everything is literally ripped out. Everything. So yeah, I'm even getting a new toilet, which I'm excited about, nervous, but excited. So even the mirrors, because I'm getting new countertops and stuff, they had to come down because the countertops that I'm getting, the back part goes up a little too high. So I ordered new frame mirrors. Actually, I'm scared to turn on the lights. I don't know. It's too much exposed, but I'll be back tomorrow. We are at the end of day two. They have waterproofed the shower and put in the new floor and some of the handle thing for the shower. So I'm getting gold hardware. Yep, y'all will see. But I just wanted to give you all an update. So the cabinets will be getting painted tomorrow, new hardware, and he will put the floor in and I believe paint the walls. The end of day three, and I cannot wait for you all to see the updates. So the cabinets are all out. I don't know if I showed that yesterday, but the cabinets are all out. They're painting them black. They removed them and took them off and was painting them outside and all the things. So I'll be getting new hardware as well. And again, of course, they painted that cabinet too. And then this is what I'm excited about. Do y'all see this towel? Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see the floor, but I had some custom countertops. I went to this place that's really cool in Richmond. We'll be here tomorrow installing the new countertops, and I'm getting vessel bowls to go on top of the sink. I wanted like a kind of a little resort vibe feel, so I can't wait for y'all to see that. The walls will get painted. I have a new toilet. The floors still need to go in, all the hardware. Kind of see a sneak peek of the color. But yeah, I'm super But can we get into the shower? Please. Please, please, please. Like, look at this. Just look. So this is it. I am in love, literally. The towel, oh my goodness, I love this towel so much. But yes, 10/10, I'm satisfied. I am satisfied.